Did you know that stress can significantly impact your blood pressure? When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, which prepare you for a fight or flight response. This response causes your heart to beat faster and your blood vessels to constrict, leading to temporary spikes in blood pressure. Chronic stress can keep your blood pressure elevated over time, increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Many people mistakenly believe that only intense stressors like a job loss or relationship issues affect blood pressure. However, daily stressors such as work pressures and financial worries can also contribute significantly. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Simple techniques like regular physical activity, practicing mindfulness or meditation, and ensuring adequate sleep can help. Deep breathing exercises can also make a difference. It's essential to recognize your stress triggers and develop coping mechanisms that work for you. By understanding the relationship between stress and blood pressure, you can take proactive steps to protect your heart and overall health. Embrace stress reduction techniques to ensure a healthier life.